Birds. They are very helpful for environment. We like all type of birds. Birds should free from cage for showing people we catch and put birds inside of confined house where they did not fly to open air. As natural being, they are suffering from mental disorder. It is completely crueling for all kinds of birds and animals who live in confined space like zoo or other space. Nowadays, birds are showing in zoo. We should care to them how they find their natural space or environment. For better world, we should take care and free them from this case. All species should live cooperatively. If all ecosystem for all species run naturally, if humankind transform the ecosystem, disaster appear time to time.